Hello all, this is Vidmay from eBay. I sincerely hope that you along with your family are doing well and safe at home. Last Saturday, we have started a Q&A campaign for our sellers on Facebook and Instagram stories. I, along with my team, will address all these questions. We have received multiple questions, and the first question that I would like to address is a common question that we've received across our top seller meets as well as this Q&A session. The question is, what approach should we adopt to service our existing buyers given the lockdown situation? I think this is an important question, and I would like to ask Ronak and Aarti from my team to answer this question. Ronak manages the core categories of our India CBT business, and Aarti manages the global customer support experience teams in India. I would hand over this to Ronak.
Thank you, Vidmay, seller community and audience, for asking this question. In the current scenario, it is very important that we manage our buyer expectations well. In order to do so, as you are aware, we have restricted all orders from item location India. I would urge the entire seller community to have strong buyer engagement at this hour. That is the need of the hour. Kindly engage with your buyers, try and understand if they are willing to wait for their orders, or please cancel out the orders immediately. Act responsibly, act in good faith, and ensure that we earn buyers' trust from a long-term perspective. Please remember, the entire eBay team is with you in this unprecedented hour. Over to you, Aarti.
Thanks, Ronak. I think what Ronak has said is absolutely right, that we are all in this together. And I think the seller's success is eBay's success. So I think from my side, what I would suggest is work on your inventory as much as possible. Try and find out what is the demand that the buyers want, what are the products that the buyers want, and start working on that inventory. I think apart from that, what is extremely important is to work on your listing quality. What is the quality of listing that is going up, and how can we make it even better for better buyer experience? I think from an eBay perspective, all of you know that we've already worked on store fee waiver, and for the eligible sellers, I am a part and I look after the global customer experience team. And as a part of that team, my main job is to ensure that I'm able to help you in this complete journey. So I think stay in touch with your AMs, talk to us at GCX. We've already worked on a lot of protections, real-time protections for y'all, so that the experience stays really good and you feel that we are with you in this throughout. Thank you so much, everyone, and over to you, Vidmay.
Thank you, Aarti and Ronak. As you've heard from both, let me summarize the key takeaways. Point number 1. Immediately ship across all pending orders. Number 2. If the buyer is unwilling to wait beyond the EDD timelines, please cancel the order and immediately issue a refund. Point number 3. For the resumption of your business, please ensure you contact the account manager or contact eBay through the online customer support page. Point number 4, and the last and the important point. Please understand the current demand factors on the host site. You can find this information on eBay community boards. Please follow the post, what's in demand right now on eBay, or contact your account manager. In conclusion, let me reiterate that we are in this together, and we will provide all the required necessary support for the resumption of the business and take our business to the next level. Thank you and stay safe.